Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing the Taurus nails. I have a Zodiac series. I've already done Aquarius, Pisces, and Aries nails. So if you're interested, go check those videos out. But in today's video, I am doing a green themed set. So I marbled, I used 3D flowers, I used rhinestones, I ombreed also. So yeah, but before we get started, I'm gonna do the comment shout out. Again, thank everybody for watching all of my previous videos, who commented, who liked, and who subscribed. Thank you, I truly appreciate it. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay, so I got the acrylics from Model Ones. I did a kit review some time ago. I will link it up above in the card somewhere. It should pop up now. But yeah, so these are the acrylics from that kit. And then I'm using Kiara Sky monomer, and then my alpha brush in a size 9 and then a size 4. But I preferred the size 4 for marbling though. But yeah, so I realized that I was out of frame a little bit in the beginning, but in like 30-40 seconds I realized that, and I pushed the camera back. So just bear with me in the meantime. But all I'm doing is just picking up a bead of each and placing them kind of on top of each other and letting them flow down and gravity do its own thing. But yes, pretty much simple as that. Sometimes I picked up multiple of the colors at one time with the bigger brush, so I would dip my brush into the monomer, pick up the dark green, and pick up the white at the same time on the back side of the brush. So sometimes I did that, while other times I just used my 3D brush like right now and just picked up each one individually. You do want to work with wetter beads when marbling with acrylic, I've noticed. So yeah, I prefer the 3D art brush over the size 9 brush. That's just my personal preference. Okay, so now I'm just using my e-file to make a straight line because the middle and the ring finger are half marble, half glitter. So I'm using my e-file and my 60 grit hand file to make sure that that line is straight and crisp. And just to save time, I skipped me doing the middle finger because I practically did the exact same thing that I did with this nail. So I just skipped that part and I cut it out. So now I'm going in with Valentino's Nude, and I'm going to ombre it on all the nails except for the pinky. But I don't really like this powder though, because in my experience with it, it takes a whole lot of beads just to get it to be opaque. This is a nice sheer nude, but it's not good for opaqueness. And I got it because, you know, on YouTube and just other places, people were like, oh, you should get it. It's a perfect nude. It's a classic nude. You know, like, get it. But when I got it and I seen, like, how sheer it was, I was like, oh, you know, I'm going to have to figure out something else. But I decided just to keep it and make as many sets as I can with it because I've already spent my money. I might as well use it because it was not cheap. It was not a cheap acrylic. So I might as well use it up and make as many sets as I can with it. So I still had some green glitter left over from the Christmas sets that I did. And so I used that and I mixed it in with some clear acrylic, and I used my 3D art brush to pick it up and place it where I wanted it to be. So I made sure to use thin layers when applying the glitter because I didn't want it to be too bulky, because I wanted to go on top with clear and encapsulate, because sometimes when you file over glitter, it will turn silver, and I didn't want that to happen. So I used a thin layer of the green glitter so that I could sandwich it and fully encapsulate it with the clear to make sure that I wouldn't ruin the design. And now I'm just going in and encapsulating all of the nails with the Young Nails clear acrylic powder. So now I'm just going in and filing the nails down, getting rid of all that bulk, getting the shape right, thinning out the cuticle area, fixing anything, any mistakes, any lumps, bumps, whatever it is, I'm fixing it at this point. Okay, so I decided to add 3D flowers to these, but I didn't make them myself. I went on Etsy and I bought some because I'm not good at making 3D flowers and stuff like that. I haven't really got to that point yet, but I did want to incorporate them into the design. So I went on Etsy, I bought some, and so I had to wait for them to be shipped. So this set was supposed to be done like a week and a half ago, but I had to wait for the 3D flowers and shipping and everything like that. But yeah, they came really cute. They're super cute. I will have the link to everything in this video down in the description. So the dark green emerald rhinestones are from Etsy, but the last time I checked, which was during the winter after I bought them, they were sold out. So I don't know if they are, but I'm still link the link. I'm still put the link in the description. And then for the light green ones, I got them off of Amazon, but my Amazon account was hacked. So hopefully I could find those, but if I can't, sorry, I don't have access to my order history anymore or to the account. So if I can't find a link, I just can't find it. And the caviar beads, the gold caviar beads also came from Amazon too, but I should have the link for those because I use those in older videos. So I should be able to get the link for that. We're pretty much at the end of the video. If you liked it, please consider hitting the thumbs up. If you have any tips or anything or encouragement that you want to share, please comment down below. And also consider subscribing. And in a few seconds, you will see the final reveal shot.